क्या आपको लगता है कि एक सर्टेन एज के बाद फिट होना मुश्किल है या फिर इम्पॉसिबल? स्टॉप राइट देयर। ये सिर्फ एक मिथ है और हम इसे साइंस की हेल्प से आज अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे। अक्सर लोग कहते हैं उम्र हो गई है अब क्या होगा। द ट्रुथ इज एज इज not a barrier to fitness. Research shows that even adults in their 80s and 90s can achieve significant improvement in muscle strength and function through resistance training. Yes, you can literally rebuild muscle. As we age, sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle mass चालू हो जाता है, लेकिन scientific studies confirm करती हैं कि consistent resistant exercise is the most effective way to slow down your muscle loss, या फिर reverse भी करना है तो possible है. Training help your muscle to use protein more efficiently, increasing your strength by up to 40% in few months, and क्रूशियल फॉर मस्कुलोस्केलेटल फिटनेस। और सिर्फ स्ट्रेंथ ही नहीं, आपके ज्वाइंट में दर्द रहता है, रिसर्च इंडिकेट दैट इनकॉपरेटिंग एक्सरसाइजेज दैट इंप्रूव फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प इन दैट। Regular stretching and movements can reduce your arterial stiffness and even lower the risk of falls by improving your balance and mobility. Flexibility means less joint strain and better quality of life. Fitness is your best defense against major illness. Scientific evidence is strong. Regular physical activity reduces the risk of chronic disease like type 2 diabetes, certain cancer and cardiovascular disease. Plus, exercise naturally stimulates brain chemicals, helping to improve your mood, sleep quality and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. ये सिर्फ बॉडी की बात नहीं, दिमाग की भी सेहत की बात है। तो अब ये मत सोचो कि बहुत देर हुई है। स्टार्ट wherever you are, move safely and be consistent. Whether you are here or anywhere else in the world, the cellular and muscle changes happen because your body is designed to adapt. The best time to start your fitness journey was years ago. The second best time is right now. So start as soon as possible.